Pag ginugol mo pala diyan, said yung ano, yung parang bad frame animation ng Naruto or bad frame animation Naruto ganun.
May meme si ano, may meme din
Pag
si
mga
Pikachu nun.
Kasi ano parang, well, yeah, lazy animation 'to kasi dun mo na lang pinapakita sa warping of the ano, of the model, character yung ano, yung movements.
Mhm.
parang na Chernobyl yung mga itsura.
Sa totoo lang, I will not, like parang sisisihin ko yung mga animators sa ganito. Weekly series 'to, 'di ba?
Yeah.
And they have to animate it with a deadline, basically.
Mm.
So, talagang kailangan mo umisip ng paraan para ma-deliver yung deadline na yun. Kasi sasagot ka sa corporation and sa company, right? So, hindi ko pa rin sila masisisi but still, it's funny, right?
Sabi pala nung ibang reviewer, yung iba daw dyan, intentional talaga kasi parang mas strong daw yung impact visually pag
Yeah.
ginanyan mo, pag
Definitely.
warp yung mga mukha, ganyan.
Ano yan, technique din yan sa fighting games, actually. That's why parang yung pag, di ko alam kung makaka-relate kayo, but if you guys are going to watch the fighting game animation of Mortal Kombat, yung bagong Mortal Kombat, sobrang ganda ng graphics niya and all, but sobrang stiff ng galaw. Parang mga ano sila, action figure yung galaw ng mga characters. But if you're going to check naman yung Street Fighter, mga ganyan, Japanese made na fighting games. Iba kasi they are willing to distort the body parts of the of the characters para mapakita yung impact and also mas maging fluid yung animation. So, yeah, it's part of the technique but sometimes sobrang overused kaya mukhang tanga na minsan.